guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know, and for today's video we're going to be opening up the new Trendmood box. So if you guys don't know what Trendmood is a Instagram account. They do have a YouTube, but I found them on Instagram. I think that's like their main page. Basically tell us the tea on all of the products that were coming out. They're literally always the first page that always drops the new products, and it is a bomb. Like literally, I love Trendmood. I love seeing their account and new products that they find that are coming out, and I'm like, okay, I want to buy this, okay, don't, okay, do, okay, don't. I kind of want to make that into a video, like searching Trendmood and just being like, okay, would I buy this, yes or no, why? So maybe that could be a video. Let me know if you guys do like that idea. Before we jump into that portion of the unboxing, I just wanted to ask you guys, if you do like what you see throughout the video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Also, before you go, don't forget to subscribe if you do like what you see, and let's go ahead and get started, guys. Alright, so I did open this up. I already did test out some products on my face. So it did come pretty nicely wrapped. And you just open it up. Everything was like super secure. I really did like that. And these are the products. So I'm so excited! First one that I have, this is the Ren Clean Skincare Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. Helps to remove makeup, SPF, and pollution. So I actually have a lot of like jelly cleansers to take off makeup. I have oil-based cleansers to take off makeup, but I'm actually going to go ahead and try this out. I just finished my I Do Skincare one, and guys, that took me a while to get through. Ooh, this has a nice scent. Clear. I'll show you guys. It is clear. It's like kind of fruity. I don't know. It smells really nice. I've actually never heard of Ren Skincare, but I'm super excited to go ahead and test this out. A Skin Fix Barrier Liquid Boost 360 Eye Cream, I guess. This is clinically proven to brighten and freshen the eyes by diminishing the appearance of puffiness, dark circles, and lines. Oh, that's actually kind of perfect for me. That's what it looks like. That is actually a really, really cute bottle, and it's a little pump. So let me see. I love testing out new eye creams and stuff. Okay, so it is white. Right now I'm using the Drunk Elephant one. Ooh, okay. That definitely feels thick. I feel like this is something I would probably use at nighttime. Okay, yeah, I'm actually excited to try this out. This has 0.5 fluid ounces, so I'm excited to try that out. I definitely feel like I would use this at nighttime though, because I'm just showing you guys, there is a little bit of like a white cast to it. Okay, the white cast is definitely disappearing. I'll probably use that at night just because of the white cast. Let's go ahead and talk about this. I actually used this today. I'm going to insert a few clips of me using the product while I am talking about this, but this is what it looks like. This is the Farsali Liquid Powder Oil Balancing Serum. This has a French pink clay in it, so that is what it looks like. It's a really, really pretty bottle. So let me just show you guys. That is what it looks like. So it's white. I applied it like a little drop. I actually really, really liked this. This had such a cooling effect on the skin. It felt really nice on the skin. As I was rubbing it in, you guys could see it definitely did feel like a serum. It was very light, but then as I was rubbing it in, it definitely dried down pretty fast, sort of to a powder. And at one point it did sort of explode everywhere, and there were marks on my hands, and I didn't like even notice, and then I went and looked back and they looked like white dots. So definitely rub it in as much as you can. It definitely dried down to a powder finish. You could feel that it dried down to a powder finish. It felt really, really nice on the skin. My skin didn't feel tight afterwards. My skin just felt really good, truthfully. I liked the way that my skin felt. It didn't help with pores. I feel like I would definitely have to go in with a pore filling primer with this, but it applied really nice. Didn't feel thick on the skin. Felt very lightweight. Literally at one point as I was using this, I was like, wait, I don't feel it. Like, I don't feel any tackiness. Is this going to help my makeup? Like, is it going to prolong my makeup? I don't know if it's really going to do that, but it felt really nice. I'll let you guys know. I'm probably not going to wear this makeup all day. It is currently 12:51, so I'll probably wear this until about 6 o'clock. So I'll leave you guys a little mini review down below. The next next one that I have, this is a Sigma times Trendmood the Eye Trio. So again, I did use this as I was filming a previous video, but I just want to tell you guys my thoughts and impressions. So we have they are dirty because I did use them. We have the E30, which is this one right here. This is a soft liner brush. This is a pencil brush. It's really small. I really like how easy it is to get right on your lower lash line, blend out those colors. You can even use this to get right in here and add a little bit of a inner corner highlight. You can use it for brow bone. You can use it to smoke out. Like, you could do a lot of stuff with this brush. I really do like it. Then I have the Sigma E35, which is this one right here. And this one is a tapered blending. This is good to apply color and blend out the crease color. This is actually the perfect brush to get right up in there and blend out the crease. I feel like it is soft. It is really easy to get in there and blend everything out. I actually really like this. All the brushes are super soft. I love how they're purple. I think that's just so cute. Then we have the last one, which is the E25. And this one is good to apply and combine shadow shades. So I actually really like this one. You guys could see it is a little bit on the flatter side, but it's really good to, I use it to pack on the color on the outer portion of my eye. And then I even use this to place down that pink color that you see just all over my lid. So I actually really do like this. It was really easy to blend everything out. Again, the brushes are like super soft, man. Like, they are great. You guys are going to see a clip of me using the brushes here. But basically, they're super soft. I really do like them, and I feel like they're sturdy. They do have a 2-year warranty, which is amazing. So yeah, I really like this. I really like the color. I really like these brushes. I feel like these are brushes that I'll constantly reach for. And they are going in my everyday makeup brush holder, which is now full, but that's a different story. Then the last product I have, this is the Christian Dominique Latte 2 palette. You guys are gonna see me using this as well. I'll insert some clips after I show you guys what it looks like. So this is what the Latte 2 palette looks like. I actually really want the glosses. I don't know if I'm gonna buy them or not. I'm trying to not buy everything anymore. Yeah, I really like the color story on this. It does come with a fairly large mirror. The colors are beautiful. I am obsessed. Today I use this Cafecito. I use this one, which is the shade Frothy. I use Café con Leche, and I use Frappe, and they are such, oh, and I use Strawberry Milk. They are such pretty shades. They're so easy to blend out. I really do love them. The only thing that I've noticed is this shade is good for setting. She also said you could use this to brighten up your under eye. She says you can use this Strawberry Milk shade to use as a blush. I really didn't see any color that much with this shade, which is the shade Café con Leche, and that's just because it's actually really similar to my skin tone, so that didn't show up as much. And then this Frappe shade, it's so light that you guys are gonna see, I used it with a brush and I really didn't see anything on my eye, but I used it with my finger and you guys can see the actual color. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the shade Frappe, Iced Coffee, and Drizzle and show you guys what they look like. Yeah, I really like the look that I created with this. I really like the color story. You have your neutrals, you have your pops of color, and I really like how you can use these for different things like eye brightener or blush. I feel like that's very useful and handy. So I actually really like this. I definitely going to be using this again. I love Christian Dominique line, her brand. It is amazing. They're really not that powdery. They blend out beautifully. They're pigmented. I definitely do like them, and you guys are going to see clips. They are gorgeous. That pink shade just applied so beautifully on my lid. Again, that Frappe shade, had to use a finger with it, but it looks really pretty on my eyes. Yeah, I really love everything. You can create a nice pink look like I did, but still on the neutral side, or you can add nice fun pops of color too. So I definitely do like this palette. Definitely going to be using this a lot. She did come out with 2 glosses. She has a darker brown and a lighter brown. I haven't gotten them. I think they come out on the 24th. Today is the 21st. I actually really like this, and yes, I'm super, super excited. But that is everything that is in this Trendmood box. I feel like Trendmood did a bomb job. I love everything that I got. I feel like I'm going to be using everything that I got. It's very practical, very makeup related. The price was, I believe, $54. I feel like it's great. It's everything makeup related. You did get like 2 skincare products, which is great. Like, I don't know, I'm really happy, and I really like this box, and I'm definitely going to be using it. I do like how they give little sneak peeks. The only thing is that if you want it, you gotta be on there on time and buy it, because if not, they're going to sell out. That is how in demand they are, but I feel like that's good. So I definitely do love this box, and I'm happy that I did purchase it. So I think Trendmood did a great job. So good job to Trendmood. But that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you guys did enjoy. I also hope that you guys did like the little overlay that I did. I hope you guys like that sort of technique for unboxing videos if I'm not going to be trying like the full product. So let me know if you guys do like that. I'm definitely really loving this makeup look and the products that I used here. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe before you go if you did like what you see. But I hope that you all did enjoy, and so let me know if you guys did get the Trendmood Volume 1 box, 2 box. What are your thoughts? What are your impressions? Do you like any of these products? I think this video is going to be up before me actually trying out the products in this box, so definitely stay tuned for that if you do want a how to get this makeup look. But that is it for this video, guys. Once again, I hope that you guys did enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!